someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong. Deep boy fresh with on, know how I pop out. Bullshit not important, but I'ma hop out. Don't play with someone come and throw my heart, I think it's wrong.
Yes guys, welcome back to another video, man. You see what we got? M4 Competition 2021 G82 M4, right? First time I'm gonna be driving one of these. First time I'm gonna be doing a video on one of these. And I mean, yo, first thing I noticed, obviously got a competition package. It's lowered, sitting hella good. Should I trade in the cat for an M? Everybody doing it, right? Everybody getting Beamers, so should I join the crew? But yeah, it got the 666 wheels on it. Got just over 500 horsepower. It's stock, other than the lowered, based on what we think so far. But look at them brakes, man. And as I was saying, they got the floating center caps, so you can come right here, you know. Yeah. Get it washed by the professional, by the way. Image car wash, man. Hit them up if you guys need a wash. Yeah, you feel the turbo, dog. Ooh, it's just skating around that corner. Oh, Q always tell me to turn off that. Tire M mode. We had a look on the mode.
So everything come up on the dashboard better.
Oh, like that? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, the heads up display. Yeah. Oh, the killer. See, that's why I need the boss to show you if you're using more than a car. Alright. The car to a couple of corners, you know what I'm saying? Dog, hold on. Must have traction on, so you're not going to spin up too much, you see me? With traction on, the whole cylinder, it's like she really want grip.
Yeah.
It's like it's just a wall, you know what I'm saying? It's like anything you gear, she angle. That's so crazy. Alright, we just do a flyby real quick. I feel different from the passenger seat.
Yeah, I mean, the person like that, you know, also feel different. Yeah, that's. They can't remember.
It's like she want to get sideways, isn't it?
Yeah.
But traction fully on. Turn it off. How you turn off traction?
The off, man.
But it's one stage off. It's when you press it one time like that, you turn it off halfway.
No, man, I turn it completely off.
Completely off right now?
Yeah.
Bro, I tell you, watch, I'll show you. I'll show you.
When I hold it down, look.
When you hold it down like so now, it will say DSC fully off.
No.
See there?
Yeah,
no, everything off. Oh, you already did that demo there? Okay.
Okay.
Alright, there's one.
You've been a driving night.
Okay.
That's how. That's
So
how
she
you
go
speed around.
sideways?
Yeah.
She goes sideways, you know?
No,
Brother, the
we don't
M4
want to go
nice.
sideways. That's just relax, bro.
Yeah, guys, tires done. Tires done.
Nah, 10 hours, bro. Me
And
don't
them,
want to
yeah,
stop on
them
the
boys
road,
gonna drive 10 hours back. I mean, follow the man page, right? Where your Instagram? Don't know it.
No.
Where your Instagram be?
I am live for Chris, bro. Just
I am live for pips, and I'll put it in the description down below as well, guys. Just follow the man on Instagram, see what he does. Cause you want to tell them what you do?
alright, so currently I'm a full-time day trader. You know, I trade the Forex market, you know, that pays for this, bro.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? And the holes and everything, not true?
Nah, bro, I'm married, bro.
Yo.
Crazy shit, bro.
Yo,
now,
make
if my
sure you guys
tires
follow
are
the man.
better, I would definitely
Yeah, but they got a 10-hour drive back and the tires are already done, so we don't want to do too much. I mean, let me know what you guys think of the M4, man. If you want to see more M4 shit, follow the man. I see you doing burnouts, all of that shit on the page, right?
Yeah, bro, just definitely hit me up, bro.
Exactly. Alright, let's see. They drunk, you like it?
Oh, hell yeah, bro. That shit sounds sweet, bro.
So good.
Sounds
Wish you could. I mean, you can't hear my one, but you're not gonna drive. I think it much of transmission. I'm just there cruising, but it can't have too much power.
They say I cruise and let's mash up.
I mean, I do like 25 miles an hour. I have a baby and I carry everything.
And it just.
This side say it done. This side say I lost you. Yo, I love the turbo sound when you hear that spool up, and like this shit just go around any corner. Is it right? Any corner. It not care. And we have 3 people in there. Alright. At first if I like kick it out like that and go.
I see you gonna do it like if I see you go the car.
You know say that go come out. No one do it too much. I tell them. No one do it too much. Cause you tell them done? Yeah. No one do it. So I'm catch it quick.
No way, I'm gonna come back down here.
Hopefully by the time you come, my Hellcat ready. So you can drive that.
So you go get a new one.
New transmission.
So the Lambo that's over there, have you driven it before?
The one over the house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The white one?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. It's I think it's a 2017 Aventador.
Whoa,
He got nitrous on it.
yeah, I realized. I saw it today.